In this video, I'll guide you through how to track a flight on Kayak. Whether you're a frequent flyer or just planning a one-time trip, keeping tabs on your flight details is essential. Kayak makes it easy to track flights, ensuring you have up-to-date information at your fingertips. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to kayak.com. If you're new to Kayak, this site is a comprehensive travel search engine that not only helps you find flights, but also allows you to track them. Once you've arrived at the homepage, you'll notice the interface is designed to be user-friendly, making it straightforward to navigate. Next, look towards the top left corner of the page. You'll see three horizontal lines, which represent the menu icon. Go ahead and click on these lines. This is a crucial step as it reveals additional options that aren't immediately visible on the main page. It's a bit like unlocking a hidden menu, offering you more control and flexibility in managing your travel plans. Once the menu drops down, you'll see several options. Among these, find and click on the Trips tab. This is where Kayak stores all your travel information, including upcoming flights and past itineraries. It's essentially your personal travel hub within Kayak. If you haven't done so already, you might need to sign in to access this feature. So make sure you have your login details handy. Now that you're in the trips section, you'll find it's quite intuitive. Here you can track your flight details with ease. Kayak provides real-time updates on your flight status, including any delays or gate changes, which can be incredibly helpful, especially if you're on the move. Just select the flight you're interested in, and you'll see all the relevant information displayed clearly. While you're here, take a moment to explore the other features Kayak offers. You can organize your itinerary, add notes, or even share your travel plans with others. It's a great way to keep everything in one place and ensure you're fully prepared for your journey. And there you have it. Tracking a flight on Kayak is as simple as going to their website, accessing the menu, and navigating to the trips section. With these steps, you'll have all the information you need to stay updated on your flight status. This simple guide will show you how to track a flight on Kayak, giving you peace of mind whether you're flying across the country or across the world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and tutorials. Safe travels.